This tutorial video is designed to accompany the worksheet for lesson 47 of Learn Your Scales and Arpeggios for Clarinet, which introduces whole tone scales. The worksheet for this lesson sets out whole tone scales starting on each of the 12 steps with fingering directions and other instructions. It is important that you follow all the instructions on the worksheet, as this video will not cover all that is required by itself. Like the chromatic scale and the diminished seventh, the whole tone scale is a non-diatonic scale. It's not in any key. As all the steps are a tone apart, there are really only two whole tone scales in all of music. As you should learn them starting on any note, so that you can include them in your scale sequences for practice, they have been divided into two categories, according to the fingering pattern by which they cross the break. The flat pattern whole tone scales cross the break from B flat to right hand C. They are the whole tone scales starting on E, F sharp, A flat, B flat, C and D. Here is the whole tone scale starting on E. It should be noted that a whole tone scale can feel a little confusing at first, because it feels as though you are playing a flat scale in some places and a sharp scale in others. For example, if you start on C, you start as a C major scale and then switch abruptly to F sharp major. These two keys are harmonically as far apart as two keys can be, separated by 6 sharps. The sharp pattern whole tone scales cross the break from A to right hand B followed by left hand C sharp. They are the whole tone scales starting on F, G, A, B, C sharp and E flat. Here is the whole tone scale starting on F. And this is where the course effectively ends. Practice Plan 47 consists of all 12 sequences divided into 2 groups of 6 to practice on alternate days, into which you can now add the whole tone scales. But we don't quite part company yet. Lesson 48 doesn't aim to provide detailed instruction, but sets out some avenues you can explore if you want to develop your scale playing further, and includes more than 100 new fingerings to take you more than an octave above the range you have so far covered. Do make sure you are really secure on all 12 sequences before you venture into this territory.